capuchin monkey's advanced intelligence is matched by their skills. Hard-shelled nuts hide mouth-watering treasures inside. And so the capuchins need an anvil and a hammer. They look for large stones to place the nuts on, and then choose another as a hammer to hit the nuts with. It's a refined and efficient technique, one nut after another easily shelled. But curiously, all this skill and effort is not in fact employed in the hunt for seeds, but something even more valuable and scarce: protein. These capuchin monkeys are collecting the succulent larvae that feed on the nuts inside the hard shells. Perhaps more than protein harvesters, these small monkeys should be thought of as relentless insect hunters.